Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you exactly how to download the Tofro.com app in 2025. So first of all, open your web browser in your mobile device and search for Tofro.com. Now once you are on Tofro, simply provide your login credentials and log in into your account. This will be your dashboard of the Tofro.com account. So in order to get the application, simply tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen. Over here, the fifth option would be download app. So once you tap on the download app option, it is going to show you the Android and the iPhone. So you can basically download their application for Android and iPhone, whichever device you are using. So tap on the Android one if you are using Android and tap on the iPhone one if you are using iPhone. Then it is going to show you this type of file which you can basically download and install in your device. Then you can log in into your account and start using Tofro.com's application very easily. You can also try to find the application from Google Play Store or App Store. If you are able to find that there, you can also download it from there as well. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more these types of crypto guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can drop a comment and I will see you in the next time.